So this is one of my levels I wanted to kind of show you. Um, Ridiculous scenario. The swing is just really crazy in this one. All right. Now I've given you just enough room so you can complete the level. All right. It doesn't mean it's not difficult. All right. You just your eyes are constantly moving from left to right, left to right, left to right, and you gotta like look to the right just to make sure that your truck's not gonna actually hit. Oh boy. Imagine. Okay. So yeah, this is difficult. All right. But imagine when I have the blind spots turned on. All right. So we'll do that now in just a second. Oh crap. All right. Let's try. See if I can get it over there. Remember, it's always good to be center, even though I'll still let you pass if you're not 100%. You just got to be like 95%. Okay, we are in. We got it. We managed it. Now let's try to do that with the blind spots turned off. Just like the last one, let's go ahead and turn to the right. And let's start jackknifing. Oh, okay. I've lost it. I have no idea what's going on here. What is going on? All right, so it's still good. All right, but okay, let's start chasing around now. Not too much though. All right, looking good. Oh, I'm getting way too close over here. Oh, okay. Let's see if I hit anything. No, I'm still good, but I'm not going to be able to fix that in time. So let's go ahead and pull forward. Go to the left, all the way. Crank it hard to the left, and then back to the right. Okay, now we can start chasing it, even though it's still way back here. Oh, come on, David, you got this. Oh, maybe you don't. Where's the back of the trailer going? All right, I think it's still swinging. I think it's gonna clear it. Oh, that's the worst word in the world to use, though. Oh no, I hit something. I hit something. Okay, so I hit it. So, gotta go ahead and pull forward. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and hard jackknife. I think I got away with it. Yeah. So now we can start chasing it. Go all the way as much as possible before hitting the other side. Crank it hard to the right. Let's pull forward. We should have a nice dead straight back in just a second. Come on. There we go. All right, I can get away with this now. No need to get out and look anymore. All right. I can even go fast if I wanted to. Not too fast. Okay. Anyway, so that's how difficult it is to back up with your axles all the way forward. Well, in this different scenario that doesn't exist anywhere. Okay.